What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What is going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Now, Shiba Inu Shibarium, talk of the town, everybody knows, but that doesn't mean that they're exempt from hitting even more new milestones. Justin, bring us to the article. Let's get into it, man.
All right, so Shiba Inu Beta has been hitting a ton of milestones, and they have already deployed 71 tokens so far, and they're only in beta. So Shibarium's Puppy Net has also seen an impressive rise in transaction count, and the milestones hit are encouraging considering what could be achieved through the Shibarium mainnet when it finally arrives. The testnet has featured a total of 2,255,398 transfers thus far. The progress is notable considering the conclusion of March saw a transaction count of 195,000. The number of wallets linked to the blockchain has reached a high of 365,282, and at the end of March, they saw a figure of 200,000 wallets linked. The number of blocks created on the Shibarium Puppy Net has also propelled to 324,129. So they are just killing it. This activity has been a massive benefit to the SHIB army as a whole because all transactions on the beta net are fueled by Bone token. 70% of that base fee from all transactions is then converted into SHIB and transferred to the dead wallet. This activity will play a crucial part in aiding the vital burn rate of the meme token. The last 24 hours have seen a burn rate increase to heights of 1,100% with 35,110,701. I hate how they forgot the commas, but whatever. Shiba Inu being removed from circulation. So Shibarium is doing its thing. It is definitely burning SHIB, and it's only in beta. So we can only expect more good things coming from Shibarium and really playing a crucial role in burning Shiba Inu. So House, what do you think about all of this? And then also, I know you got some more milestones to add over there because Shiba Inu community has been killing it, right?
Yeah, man, it's been going crazy. I'm excited about it. I mean, obviously, I'm an investor, been an investor of Shiba Inu for a long time. Had my Bone investment. I sold kind of at the top, still waiting to re-enter on Bone. And I don't think I'm going to miss the boat. That being said, I mean, they have more milestones, right? Like you look at this, for instance, this article goes with Shibarium Now payments. Now, most people that know about Now payments, they know that this is an avenue for you to be able to use your crypto seamlessly. But now they're adding Now payments into the Shibarium ecosystem for everything related to the Shibarium ecosystem. It's just going to be another way to collaborate between Now payments and Shibarium, and it's expected to contribute to the growth of the SHIB ecosystem by enabling a more user-friendly payment experience. Now payments, known for its secure payment processing system, aims to provide a seamless payment experience to SHIB users with the integration of Shibarium. In addition to the partnership, might help both Now payments and Shibarium expand their reach and grow their user base, which, in my opinion, is very, very bullish. The other thing that I had highlighted here is when SHIB got their support of Now payments back in May of 2022, go take a look at the chart, come back to watch this video, and tell me how bullish Now payments were for Shiba Inu back then. Now they're adding that to the milestones of Shibarium. Yet another way for people to not only use their Shiba Inu or use the tokens that are related to inside the ecosystem, but also ultimately the goal is burning more Shiba Inu. The more they burn, the more they get the circulating supply down, the more the price goes up. And that's what the bigger whales are interested in. So don't get it twisted. Shibarium is here to stay. It's taking a little time to get out of beta, but just be patient because I think ultimately this thing is going to pay off. It's going to pay off in a big way. But you guys let us know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Come back to watch myself, Justin, all the other great content creators over here at the ClearCryptos education channel. But that guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T. Hobbs, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.